want to post, but because I don't know if I'm gonna have time to post it and be able to really do it, I might like record it as like maybe the next video. So this game is called How to Survive Storm Warning Edition. This is a game that like I knew about like a while back. It used to be free on Microsoft, but it's no longer free. It's like $20 now. So if you have an Xbox, yes, I am playing on my Xbox. You can get this game. Like $20 isn't really that expensive. It's not really like that new of a game, but it's actually not that bad. Like if you like kind of like zombie games and like you know, doing certain things as far as like killing zombies and you know stuff like that, this is like the perfect game for you for that reason. So with that being said, I'm gonna get right into it. So we're gonna do like a local game. We're gonna do like story mode. I'm by myself. This is the character that I picked. So because I have the full-fledged game instead of playing the trial, the game actually saved, whereas before the game didn't save.
Hey, my name's Andrew. I'm one of many of the Ramones in.
So like to get a stick, I'm trying to find. There's this like plant where like if the zombies attack you, you'll be able to like heal. And I'm trying to find that before I go off on this like escapade of you know trying to kill zombies with a stick. Because I believe you have to add something over here. So I've already like, cause I was like playing the single and stuff. So you're gonna like walk over to the zombie because like sometimes the zombies have like stuff on them that you might like. Oh. That you might need. You can kill him that way and stuff. Like, get some water. So like that kind of kills them a little bit faster, so you don't have to do all this swinging and stuff. Oh. That's what I mean. Like, oh, this zombie's not dead. There we go. There's that. There's no plant.
Who are you? And where's Andrew? You met Andrew? Where is he? Oh, shit. That's terrible news. Yo, if they bit him, it's all over. It's only a matter of time. He's gonna turn into a monster too. Yeah, I got bit too. That's why I cut my leg off. With my own leg. I had no choice. I went out of here alive. So what about you? Have any teeth marks to declare? No? Well, and you got here, what, with just a stick? I'm impressed. Here, okay.
Kovacs rules. Chapter 2. Healing. Fracture? Cut? Disembowelment? To be a survivor means to have injuries,
This is like
yet
pretty
live.
much like an explanation
So, if you
of
get
like what you
injured,
can
and
do
you
while playing the
will,
game.
do not fear. Help is at hand. The islands are full of medicinal plants to treat your wounds. Eating these plants will help you to regain your health. For more serious wounds, put the leaves in a cloth to make a poultice. Finally, I have left some presents for you. The med kits are powerful gifts. They will fully heal you in a flash. So, never give up and fight.
trying to see if this angle is like even worth like watching this video. I feel like all this camera movement is like killing the vibe. Alright. You know. I love how the zombies like play dead in this game, like, and then just like wake up when you just decide to show up. Like, come on. And then I think that dude that I was trying to help, I think they died. Like all over. So hungry. Yeah, this game is like really fun. It's not like a typical zombie game, kind of is, but isn't. Cause it's like you gotta find stuff along the way. It's a whole bunch. Oh god. Oh no. I got it. Alright, so I'm sorry about like adjusting the camera so many times, but I just wanted to record this video. I also didn't want to make this video too long and all that, because I know, you know, the longer the video might make it more tedious to watch. But yeah, I am playing on my Xbox, by the way. If you look throughout the game, they have like tombstones, and they have like tombstones of people's gamers tag. If you look, let me see if you can figure out which one is my gamer tag for my Xbox. I know I haven't really played a lot of games on my Xbox. Most of the games I've played when it came to posting videos for my channel have been my PlayStation, and I've done a couple videos with my Switch and Stadia. So I'm trying to like incorporate all the systems so that way it doesn't seem like I'm saying I have the other systems and then not playing with them. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys, like I said, want me to kind of incorporate video games and kind of like sit down and talk with you guys, comment down below, reach out to me on my social media, and please just let me know. Like, let me know exactly like what you're looking for. If you're enjoying like the way I've been trying to like edit the videos to like make them like look as decent as I possibly can. Like I'm trying, I'm learning. With that being said, I'm Bunny. I hope the Bunny Gang enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.